Humans learned the Earth's evolution from the primary living creatures, bronze fossils which are preserved in the Earth's crust million years ago. However, not only dinosaur, utensils, and ornaments are found as paleontological evidences. There are also primitive fossil plants. This kind of fossil telling us about the nature of climate, terrain, environment, and other living creatures in the ancient world. This makes human understand more in paleontology, botanical, and evolution of each continent. Evidence of evolution in Thailand is the Petrified Wood in the Petrified Wood National Park, or Khao Prabhat, Ban Tak District in Tak Province. Tak Province in Thailand has a hilly terrain which dominated by Tanon Thongchai mountain range, Mount Khao Luang and Mount Khao Phamern. There are several rivers flow through, such as Ping River, Wang River, Mui River, and Hoi Me Lamau Brook, etc. The forest here made up of deciduous tree mixed with spear trees. The Petrified Wood Forest Park was established on 28 November 2003 within the area of Masalit Pongdang Sanctuary. In general, the area is deciduous dipterocarp forest, consists of both medium and large trees scattered around. This forest park is in preparation to proclaim a national park in 2016. The Tak Petrified Wood Park is located at Tak Ok Local Subdistrict, Ban Tak District, Tak Province. The park is near Khao Prabhat, in which approximately 3 kilometers to the northeast of Tak Ok Local Subdistrict. The park's entrance is at the kilometers marker 443 on Highway 1, Pahon Yotin Road. Petrified wood or wood stone is formed when several kinds of solution replace the wood cell, such as the solution of iron, manganese hydroxide, or calcium bicarbonate. The replacing process occurs when plant material is buried by sediment, which protected wood from oxygen and also prevented from naturally decay by bacteria. Subsequently, the cells within the original plant has been replaced with minerals. Minerals that mostly found include silica, iron oxide, carbonate, phosphate, and fluoride. So sometimes it's known as silicified wood. Processes and environments that make up petrified wood is natural factors. trees falling from natural causes, and swept down a river by natural disasters, then buried under soil or rock over time. The logs gather and pile up in basin, canal, swamp, marsh, watercourse, or area that's surrounded by mountain. The collect of logs and sediments in the swamp, together with groundwater that contain high silica solution, finally turn log to stone. The climate may be wet and dry in the area that is far from the river, like nowadays, such as forest savanna. The part of wood that is softer will gradually decay as time passes. When adding with the original cracks in the wood, it makes the wood full of pores. The sediments that line upon the woods is washed by water or solution, which contains acid or alkaline, and remove silica away. Especially in alkaline solution, silica or gravel will well dissolve and penetrate into the buried wood. Logs are soaked with silica solution all year round. Later, if the area is in acidic condition or wood is acidic, it will turn alkaline solution to neutral. The organic acid from wood or other sources will cause silica solution or water that permeate in the wood form crystals and slowly replace every wood cell. The wood cells that are replaced by silica and water will transform wood to opal. For the wood that is replaced by silica but water is insufficient or evaporated, the wood will turn to chalcedony with small crystals and silver. This process is called silicification. The wood's original structure has been preserved, such as annual ring, splinter, root, and wood node. Apart from silica that permeates in wood cell, there are also other minerals that dissolve or swept from nearby areas such as iron, copper, manganese, and uranium, etc. Such minerals may crystallize and embed in the wood. This makes minerals rust or blemish blend in the petrified wood. Therefore, the petrified wood appears several colors such as red, yellow, brown, or other colors, which is caused by a combination of such elements. The geological site of the Petrified Wood National Park, is where the fossils are found buried in the layers of gravel, which is formed by the accumulations of sediments from the ancient Ping and Wang rivers. The features of the gravel sediment found in this ancient waterway as round shape and clearly interleaved with a layer of sand, small gravels, and large gravels. When compared these gravel layers with the similar gravel layers in Lampang province, which covered by the basalt with an approximately age of 800,000 years, the relative ages of gravel layers in Thailand therefore should be at least 800,000 years. There are two types of petrified wood found. The first type is Thongbung tree or Yi Thongbung tree. 6 logs of wood are found with length of 72 meters in dry mixed forest. The other type is Makamong tree, a perennial tree which also known as pin, with a height of around 30 meters. Originating in the dry evergreen forest and close to water. This petrified wood park is the first site in Southeast Asia, and the experts from the USA and Europe also confirm that these fossils are the world's longest petrified wood. This makes the petrified wood park is so important because of it is the national legacy that is one of the 77 wonders of Thailand. There are 2 genus of tree found. Thongbung, scientific name Cumpaciocylon elegans, and Makamong, scientific name Pahudiocylon cfsani. Thongbung is close to the first genus which currently found around the border of Thailand, Malaysia, Borneo, and Indonesia. Petrified wood number 1, length 72 meters 20 centimeters and width 1 meter 80 centimeters. Petrified wood number 3, length 32 meters 40 centimeters and width 2 meters 10 centimeters. Petrified wood number 4, length 44 meters 20 centimeters and width 1 meter 40 centimeters. Petrified wood number 6, length 50 meters 34 centimeters and width 1 meter 55 centimeters. Petrified wood number 7, length 38 meters 70 centimeters and width 1 meter 50 centimeters. The second type is close to Makamong tree. It is found in the deciduate dipterocarp forest, an area between the 2 forest types in Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam. Petrified wood number 2, length 31 meters 30 centimeters and width 31 meters centimeters. Petrified number 5, length 22 meters 20 centimeters and width 1 meter 20 centimeters. These fossils are estimated to be around 800,000 years old.
Furthermore, the Thak Park has conducted research and recorded species of plants and insects found in the park. In order to create a learning center that could top up and broaden the knowledge in the future.